Attaching a tow vehicle to any kind of trailer can be a real challenge, especially if you're trying to take this task on alone. You back up the vehicle, get out and check, back up again and repeat the process for what appears to be forever. However, with the help of the wireless magnetic camera, this task can be greatly simplified. The camera kit contains the camera unit monitor and USB charging cable. The camera is weatherproof and attaches to any metal surface by way of a magnet built into the adjustable bracket. It has infrared lights. The camera can stick on the metal surface. With some trial and error, you can determine the placement of the camera that works best for you. And I'll be able to see this car and trailer together, night or day. The monitor plugs into any cigarette lighter socket, and the wireless connection from the monitor to the camera is up to 100 feet. Once inside the tow vehicle, I use the car's mirrors to visually line up the car and trailer. From there, I turn to the monitor, plugged into the car's cigarette lighter socket, to maneuver the car's hitch ball slowly under the hood of the trailer hitch. The camera gives a clear view of the car coming into frame, and from there I can make any minor adjustments to line the ball precisely under the hood of the trailer hitch. Now I can lower the trailer hitch and connect it to my tow vehicle with no problem. With this camera system, I can get in, back up confidently, get right straight underneath the hitch ball. Very simple.